Every night, the same routine. Plates stacked high, glasses covered in grease, forks and spoons tossed into the sink. You reach for the dishwashing liquid, squeeze a generous amount, and before you know it, half the bottle is gone in a week. Sound familiar? What if I told you there's one genius dishwashing hack, so simple, so effective, that not only cleans better, but saves you a shocking amount of money? Before I reveal this trick, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and hit the bell icon. Because once you learn this, you'll never waste money on dishwashing liquid again. Why we waste so much? Dishwashing liquids are designed to make you overspend. Those bright bottles, thick foam, and extra power labels trick you into thinking more soap equals cleaner dishes. But here's the truth. You don't need nearly as much as you're using. Companies know this. That's why their bottles are designed with wide openings, encouraging you to pour more. And every extra squeeze is money slipping down the drain. The genius hack. Here it is. Dilution and distribution. Instead of pouring dish soap directly onto your sponge or dishes, mix 1 part dishwashing liquid with 3 parts water in a spray bottle. Shake well. Now, instead of squeezing giant blobs, you spray just the right amount, covering more area, using less soap, and cutting waste instantly. It sounds too simple, but the results are shocking. Plates shine, grease melts, and your bottle of dish soap suddenly lasts 3 times longer. Why it works? Dish soap is concentrated. It's designed to work with very little liquid. By diluting, you're not weakening it. You're activating it properly. When sprayed evenly, the soap coats dishes better, breaks down grease faster, and rinses away cleaner. No sticky residue, no wasted foam. Just sparkling dishes and money saved. The emotional impact. Now imagine this. Instead of buying dish soap every week, 1 bottle lasts a month, or more. That extra money stays in your pocket. Your dishes sparkle, your sink looks fresh, and you feel in control. It's not just a cleaning hack, it's financial relief. A small shift, a big win. Step 1. Get a spray bottle. Any spray bottle works. Reuse one from cleaning products or buy a cheap one. Fill it with 1 part dish soap, 3 parts water. That's your magic weapon. Step 2. Spray, don't squeeze. Spray lightly onto your sponge, scrubber, or directly onto dishes. A little mist covers more surface area than a giant blob. You'll be amazed how little you actually need. Step 3. Rinse smarter. Instead of running water constantly, scrub first, rinse second. This conserves not just soap, but water too. A double saving. Bonus trick. The soak method. For heavily greased pans, fill with hot water and add just 1 spray. Let it soak for 10 minutes. The grease lifts off easily, no scrubbing marathon required. Again, less soap, better results. Drop a comment below and let us know how this genius hack works for you. We'd love to hear from you. Why this feels genius? Because it flips the script. We've been conditioned to believe we need more. But here, less truly is more. The spray method not only cleans better, it exposes the trick companies play on us. For years, we've been overusing, overspending, and overlooking the simplest solution. And maybe, this isn't just about dishwashing. Isn't life full of places where we overspend, overuse gacy, and overcomplicate? We believe bigger is better, when in reality, smarter is better. Sometimes the genius lies not in adding more, but in using what we have, wisely. So the next time you reach for that dish soap bottle, pause. Don't squeeze, spray, stretch 1 bottle into 3. Save money, save soap, save water. And watch your kitchen transform with one genius habit. If you found this hack helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more powerful, unconventional tips that protect your wallet, your home, and your peace of mind. And don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and emergency speed cleaning checklist. As a bonus, you'll also get access to our free community, because sometimes the smartest solutions are the simplest ones.